Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Bluetooth audio not working on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on Bluetooth and make sure turn on Bluetooth mode and turn off Bluetooth mode. Turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. So if it not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on apps. Click on app management. Scroll down and search Bluetooth app from here. Click on search and search. For example, this is Bluetooth app. Click on storage usage and clear cache Bluetooth app. After clear cache Bluetooth, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset phone and click on reset network settings. Enter phone pin, click on reset. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset click on system and software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth audio not working on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.